Guys, I have a squishy dumpling. It's not a squishy dumpling, it's squishy bun or bun, bro. Let's see what is the color of the squishy dumpling bun. Is wait guys. Color of my dumpling, guys. Let's see guys, let's see. Red, blue, green, or glitter, guys. Let's see, wait. Oh, a glitter! Ay! A glitter, guys! Oh! It's a red! A glitter! Oh, it's so shiny, bro! It's so shiny! Yeah, bye! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.